Hello all, welcome to my channel Pharma Dive. Today's topic is types of audits in pharma industry. Just a quick note, this channel is purely for educational purpose and aims to provide valuable information. So if you are ready to dive into the world of pharma, hit that subscribe button and join the journey. Let's explore, learn and gain together. What is an audit? An audit is a systematic, independent, and documented examination performed to determine whether the activities comply with established procedures, regulations, and quality standards. In the pharma industry, audits are essential for ensuring product quality, regulatory compliance, data integrity, patient safety, and continuous improvement. Importance of audits. Audits helps identify non-compliance and quality gaps within pharmaceutical operations. They improve manufacturing practices, ensure adherence to GMP, and help organizations remain prepared for regulatory inspections. Objectives of pharma audits. The main objectives of pharmaceutical audits are to verify compliance with GMP, GLP, and GDP guidelines and to evaluate the effectiveness of quality management system. Audits helps identify deficiencies, deviations, and compliance gaps while ensuring safety, efficacy, and quality of pharma products. They also improve operational performance, enhance regulatory readiness, and promote continuous improvement through the implementation of CAPA. There are basically three types of audits in pharma industry: internal audit, external audit, and regulatory audit. Let's see internal audit or self-inspection. Internal audits are systematic evaluations conducted by pharmaceutical companies' internal team. Internal audits assess compliance with internal procedures and regulatory requirements. Internal audits are typically performed on a scheduled basis as a part of the organization's quality management system. These audits help identify gaps, mitigate risk, and drive continuous improvement within the organization. Let's see external audit. An external audit is conducted by one organization to evaluate another organization's compliance, quality systems, and operational capabilities. These audits may be performed by clients, regulatory authorities, or certification bodies to provide an independent and objective assessment of the quality management system. External audits helps build confidence and trust among stakeholders. The primary purpose of external audit is vendor qualification, supplier approval, and evaluation of contract manufacturers. Common examples include audits of API or excipient suppliers, packaging material vendors, and contract manufacturing organizations. Regulatory audits or inspections. A regulatory audit is an inspection conducted by government regulatory agencies to verify compliance with pharmaceutical regulations and industry standards. These audits may be scheduled or unannounced and are performed to ensure the pharmaceutical companies meet national and international regulatory requirements related to the quality, safety, and efficacy of their products. Common regulatory authorities include CDSCO, US FDA, EMA, MHRA, ANVISA, INVIMA, SAFRA, PMDA, TGA, NMPA, Health Canada, and WHO. These agencies oversee pharmaceutical compliance and help ensure that medicines are manufactured according to established quality and safety standards. The primary objectives of regulatory audit are to verify GMP compliance, ensure product quality, and protect patient safety. Based on audit findings, possible outcomes may include an observation report, issuance of a warning letter, approval or certification, or regulatory action in cases of significant non-compliance. Pharmaceutical auditing procedure, general flow. First step is audit planning and preparation. The audit begins with defining the scope, objectives, schedule, and audit checklist. Relevant SOPs, previous audit reports, risk assessments, and regulatory requirements are reviewed before the audit. Second step is conducting the audit. The audit team performs facility inspections, interviews of personnel involved, and reviews records and documents to verify compliance with regulations and internal procedures. Third step is identifying and documenting findings. Any deviations, non-conformities, observations, and opportunities for improvement are identified and documented. Findings are categorized based on their severity and supporting evidence. Fourth step is closing meeting. Audit findings are presented to management and corrective actions along with implementation timelines are discussed. Fifth step is audit report and CAPA implementation. A formal audit report is prepared and issued. Corrective and preventive actions are then implemented to address the identified findings. Sixth step is follow-up and closure. The effectiveness of CAPA is verified through follow-up activities. The audit is formally closed once compliance has been demonstrated and all actions are completed. Let's see pharmaceutical audit readiness. Pharmaceutical audit readiness requires maintaining updated SOPs, records, and quality documents that are easily accessible. A strong quality management system should be implemented to ensure compliance, consistency, and effective management of deviations and CAPAs. Regular internal audits and continuous employee training helps to identify compliance gaps and improve audit preparedness. Organizations should establish a clear audit response plan, conduct mock audits, and ensure that facilities and equipments remain compliant through proper maintenance, calibration, and qualification. Effective communication, the use of digital compliance tools, adherence to current regulatory requirements, and regular review of an audit readiness checklist further support successful audit outcomes. Let's see what is the difference between an audit and inspection in pharma industry. The main difference between an audit and inspection arises from their objectives, who performs them, and how they are initiated. An audit in the pharmaceutical industry is scheduled systematic evaluation conducted internally or externally to assess a company's adherence to quality standards, regulatory requirements, and internal procedures. An inspection is an official review by regulatory authorities to determine a specific operations or products to verify compliance with applicable pharmaceutical regulations. For example, a pharmaceutical company may conduct an internal audit to evaluate the effectiveness of its quality management system and identify areas for continuous improvement. Regulatory agencies like FDA may conduct unannounced inspections to assess GMP compliance, including documentation, processes, and potential risks. What are the advantages of pharmaceutical audits? Pharmaceutical audits helps to improve regulatory compliance by ensuring that processes and systems meet current industry requirements. They assist in identifying and mitigating risk through the early detection of compliance gaps and process failures. Regular audits enhances product quality by maintaining the safety, efficacy, and consistency of pharmaceutical products. Audit also help optimize processes by identifying inefficiencies and opportunities for improvement, leading to better operational performance. Additionally, they boost stakeholder confidence by demonstrating strong quality systems and internal controls. Most importantly, audits promote continuous improvement by supporting ongoing enhancements in quality, compliance, and efficiency. Let's see disadvantages of pharma audits. Pharmaceutical audits can be time consuming and require significant resources, including manpower and financial investments. They may disrupt daily operations and increase workload for employees during the audit process. Audit can also create stress or resistance among staff, particularly when the findings are perceived as critical. Additionally, addressing identified non-compliances may involve substantial corrective cost. Audit outcomes may vary depending on the auditor's expertise and objectivity, and external audits can pose risk to data confidentiality. In case of major non-compliance, audits may lead to warning letters, penalties, or other regulatory actions. Conclusion. Pharmaceutical audits are essential for maintaining regulatory compliance, product quality, patient safety, and operational excellence. Different types of audits help organizations evaluate their systems, processes, suppliers, and products from various perspectives. Effective auditing combined with implementation of CAPA promotes continuous improvement and ensures inspection readiness in pharma industry. Strong audit builds strong quality system. Thank you everyone for your time and attention. I hope this presentation has provided valuable insights into pharmaceutical audits and their role in ensuring regulatory compliance, product quality, and patient safety. If you like this presentation, then please like, share, and subscribe my channel Pharma Dive.